How to delete search history in Safari on iPhone. To delete your Safari browsing history on an iPhone, it is not possible through the Safari. Instead, you will need to use the Settings app on your mobile device. Simply go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Then tap on the Safari. You can simply search for the Safari in the search address bar as well. Once you tap on the Safari, scroll down and under the Privacy and Security section, tap on Clear History and Website Data. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete your history and also a time range. I am changing the all time because we are deleting the whole history here. So that is it. All your history has been safely deleted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.